There are at least 3 ways that we can find and get started creating a Google site. Let's take a look at those. The first way is to come up to your Omnibox and go sites.google.com, and that will open up the place where you find all of your sites. You can start a blank site or you can choose from any one of these templates. Another option is to go to the Apps Launcher or the Waffle and choose Sites. It'll take you to that same page where you can choose to create your own or start from a template. And a third way is to come into your Google Drive and to go to the New button in the top left-hand corner, and then you have to click on More, and then you should have Google Sites. You click on that, and it will take you to a brand new site where you are starting from scratch in a non-template site. This is just a regular blank site. So 3 ways to start and get to your very first Google site.